Hello everyone, are you still looking for a recording plan that satisfies you? Watch these videos. You made actress by one. Today we introduce a highly practical rice recording made of thin array. The thin size is a lighter and easier to carry with simple operation. One crate recorder, which activates the recorder mode. Which random saves the recording. .360° panoramic recording, able to record sound for any duration. You can also be used as a player, allowing you choose to listen anytime, anywhere. It has a built-in storage capacity of 8GB to 64GB, which can also be used as a USB drive for convenience and large capacity storage of data. It has a built-in lithium battery with long battery life. It can continuously record for 25 hours on no charge mode.